Welcome to the Axie Infinity Ronin Bridge tutorial, a comprehensive guide to help you navigate the process of transferring assets between the Ethereum mainnet and the Ronin network. The Ronin Bridge is a crucial tool for Axie Infinity players, allowing them to move their assets seamlessly between the two platforms. To start, make sure you have a MetaMask wallet installed and set up, as it is required to interact with the Ronin Bridge. Next, go to the Ronin Wallet website and click on the Bridge tab. Then connect your MetaMask wallet to the Ronin Bridge by clicking on the Connect Wallet button. Once connected, you will see the transfer window where you can select the asset you want to transfer, either from Ethereum to Ronin or vice versa. Choose the asset and enter the amount you want to transfer. Then confirm the transaction. It is essential to note that the Ronin Bridge has a minimum and maximum transfer limit, so make sure to check the limits before initiating a transfer. Additionally, be aware of the gas fees associated with each transaction, as they may vary depending on the network congestion. To ensure a smooth transfer process, make sure your MetaMask wallet is funded with enough Ethereum to cover the gas fees. It is also crucial to double-check the recipient address to avoid any potential losses. Best practices for using the Ronin Bridge include regularly checking the Ronin website for any updates or maintenance schedules, as this may affect the bridge's functionality. It is also recommended to transfer assets during off-peak hours to minimize gas fees and reduce the risk of network congestion. In conclusion, the Axie Infinity Ronin Bridge is a powerful tool that enables seamless asset transfer between the Ethereum mainnet and the Ronin network. By following these steps and best practices, you can ensure a secure and efficient transfer process, allowing you to focus on what matters most: playing Axie Infinity.